brief video on Algo Trading versus Ford. We've got a daily chart of Ford Motor Company here, and we're looking at a blue 200-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a green 5-day moving average. In a minute, I'm going to show you some algorithmically generated prices for Ford that RBAM Research puts out. But let's take a look at Ford from a technical perspective real quick, and we can see that Ford's been in a bear market at least since August 16th, but really since April 1st, roughly, the April area of 2022. Ford's selling off hard. It's below the 200-day, the 20-day, and the 5-day moving average. And we've got a low today of 11 and 21 cents versus 11 and 53 cents for its high. So Ford essentially bear market, not yet challenging its July 5th lows, but getting close to it. So that's where we are from a moving average perspective for Ford. Let's take a look and see what our algorithmically generated prices look like for Ford. We put out 190 of these every morning before 7 a.m. They're 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. Let's take a look and see what Ford says here. For Ford, for the 30th of September, which is today, we've got $11.14 for the 1 day, and all the way up to $11.40 for the 20-day hold. So let's go back and take a look. 11.14 and 11.40. 11.14. Didn't hit 11.14, but it did hit 11.40. And so let's see what would have happened here. Keep in mind, 11.40 is a 20-day hold period. 11.27. Did we hit 11.27? Yeah, so you could conceivably, if your own analysis said it was a good idea, you could get in at 11.27 today or 11.40 using these prices. Let's see what happened here. 11. This is an hourly chart. So 11.27, the high. So you'd have made a few pennies on the 5-day and not yet showed any profits yet on the 20-day. So those are algorithmically generated prices without a trend component to them. Let's go down and take a look at our trend following system. These are algorithmically generated, but they have a 30-day hold. Essentially, you get in, buy, flat, or short, depending on what your own analysis says, and we're going to show you what ours says. And then hold worst case 30 days, get out at the end of 30 days at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you get them. And this is indicating a short for Ford today at 11.88. So this price is above the market. Again, these come out Monday through Friday, and this is above the market, but it is indicating a short position for Ford. So you have two contradictory positions available, but the short is obviously higher than the entry prices, so we're still consistent. That's basically how these algorithmic prices work. They come out before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. They're all free, no credit card required. I'll show you how to get them in a minute. But you can either trade, not necessarily a sideways market, because these algorithmic prices here will work pretty much in regardless of trend usually, because it's going to show a zero here if there's a heavy trend down. There's not going to show any, like for instance right here, Bank of America, it's nothing there today. This week, Wednesday, these were almost all zeros. So it's not going to show you buy prices on these particular tables, but down here, this trend following system will show you either buy or short, and very rarely it will show a flat. You can get all of this Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Again, no cost, no credit card required. We cover 190 stocks, the major Forex pairs, the most liquid futures contracts. There's a link in the description below. Just head over there, put in your email, and sign up at rbamresearch.com. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you want to leave us a comment in the comment section, we'd love to hear from you. It's not yet determined who's going to win between Algo Trading and Ford, but we shall see here in the coming days. Please keep in mind that everything you've seen and heard on here, including my commentary and the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk. You should always do your own analysis, and you can't use our information for anything other than entertainment.